So good morning guys, and welcome to a full day here of exploring on the hidden gem of Thailand, Koh Yao Noi. Actually, what a nice place we found here to sleep at. It's a bit hot inside the room because we have no air condition, we just have a fan, but the hospitality going on here is just amazing. And they actually fixed the motorbike for us during the night. They just came up here and told us that they have fixed it for us, and then they came in with some fried banana they handed us, and yeah, we got a nice little breakfast here. So yeah, actually a very nice place. It is called the Pyramid. So if you are going to Koh Yao Noi, I would definitely recommend you go inside and check them. They are super kindly to us. And also they just handed us some fresh watermelon here and an ice cold water. What a nice place. We are just so lucky. Yay, finally after hours and hours inside the room of getting ready, we are now ready to go out. Wow, so we drove like, I don't know, 5-7 kilometers or something like that down this dirt road, and we came to this little beach right here. And there's hardly no tourists here. I think there's maybe 5 tourists around, but there's hardly no one. And after spending so long time in Thailand on previous trips, you kind of get tired of tourists and these hubs that there are everywhere with thousands and thousands of tourists. So you really appreciate when you come out to places like this where there's almost no one and you can be the only one at the beach. It is just awesome. I love it. So we're not gonna spend too much time here. We have seen the beach now, and I've flown my drone and it looks nice, and then we're gonna move on. I'm sure there's some awesome sights here on this island, so this is just one of them, and we'll keep on moving. So we just found an awesome little place here to sit and have some lunch overlooking Phra Bay here. It's actually pretty awesome. So the prices here on Koh Yao Noi is slightly higher than places like Khao Sok, and especially in Bangkok. So expect to pay a little bit more for your food here. I have no idea where we are going now, but we need to go down to South Island to maybe book some tickets. Sorry guys, for tomorrow. And we are as well going to the 7-Eleven because they have air conditioning inside, and we really want to be cooled down for a bit. So I think we'll head for both 7-Eleven and to the pier to book some tickets for tomorrow. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty easy to come to Koh Yao Yai tomorrow. We just turned by at the pier, and it is just to show up and go to a long-tail boat and ask him to bring us to Koh Yao Yai. It is very cheap and very easy. We just stopped here at the local, I don't know, the local capital city of Koh Yao Noi, and we are just looking at some shopping, and actually it looks quite nice. I think Catherine is in heaven here. Some shopping. I've been very excited about coming in here. Oh, air conditioning. Oh, that was nice. Lovely.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so we have been traveling for the past 14 days, and I think it is time for a little bit of a status update, telling you guys what's going on, and also about my YouTube channel. I haven't really spoke to you guys about my YouTube channel yet, and I think it's the right time now. And what a nice place to do it in this tropical environment here at the Koh Yao Noi in Thailand. I'm so happy to be here, and I'm so happy to be traveling. I just love traveling and being around. That's what I love, and that's what I want to do all time, full time. Yeah, I just love it. So after visiting places like Bangkok, Koh Tao, Khao Sok, we are now here at Koh Yao Noi in Thailand, and it's amazing. Really, it's the first feeling of really getting calm and down to earth that we have on this trip. And I really love being at places like this where there's almost no people. It is where you can get this real sense of Thailand, and basically first now I realized that we are traveling again after being places like this. And as far as my YouTube channel goes, I have seen that I have lost a small amount of subscribers. That's really not what I hope for. I hope that I'll get more and more subscribers, but I just see it as a little hill to get over, and hopefully it will start to add up at the far end. What I can focus on now is just make awesome videos for you guys, and just keep making better and better videos, and that's where my focus is at, to just improve over time and just make sure to give you guys the best quality possible. That's basically what I can do. Besides that, my focus point is just to do what I love, make videos that I love, then I'm sure that the subscribers will come after all. You guys that are on my channel right now are so supportive, and like, I really love when you guys are commenting something positive on my videos, as well as I love when people are telling me what I can improve in my vlog. It is really how I get better. It is from you guys, and I can't say it enough. I'm so happy for all of you guys that's on my channel right now. I feel we are building up some kind of a community inside of my YouTube channel, and I'm really happy about that. I love communicating with you guys, so just please commenting all my videos. I just love it. And of course, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to click the subscribe button, like the video, do everything you can do to the video, share it with your friends and families. That's actually a very important thing. If you guys could share my videos, that's how I can grow my channel basically. I'm trying all the time to improve my videos, but if there's no one who look at it, it is very difficult for new people to find my channel. So if you guys share it, you'll do me a huge favor. And another way that people can find it is in the search terms in YouTube, and I'm really trying to SEO optimize my videos as much as possible. But it is difficult, and especially in this YouTube environment, there's uploaded so much videos to YouTube every second. And it's really difficult to not just being a part of everyone else, but to actually stick out from the rest. That's the difficult part, and that's what I'm trying to do with just creating quality videos. I really hope you guys enjoy my videos, and I just love making them. This is not me saying goodbye to YouTube or anything like it. I'm just reflecting over things and looking at myself and thinking about what I can improve. I know I'm creating these beautiful cinematic videos, but I also know that I can make them even better looking. And that's what I am aiming for at the moment, to just keep making better videos. That's my goal, to just creating cinematic videos. I just love to make these videos for you guys. So yeah, we'll do it. We just have to be patient. And yeah, guys, we'll do it, I'm sure. It is just starting to get more and more overcasted. I think it's gonna rain soon. So I just spent the whole evening just relaxing and just editing. And now it is time to see if I can upload a video. Yay, it'll be so nice. The Wi-Fi here on these islands are very bad, so it is difficult to find a place where I can upload videos. And as you guys might already know, I'm already far behind with my videos. Actually, according to my vlog, we are still in Koh Tao, but we are not. We are here in Koh Yao Noi still. But yeah, that's yeah. But it is impossible to keep up with these videos when the Wi-Fi is just basically shit. So I can't do anything about it. They will come up as soon as possible. Now we're on our way to find a Wi-Fi that allows me to hopefully upload a video. There's really not a lot to do here on Koh Yao Noi at the evenings. It is very remote, and there's not a lot in the town that is open. Please stop. And so we're gonna move on tomorrow. We are going to Koh Yao Yai, which is the sister island of Koh Yao Noi here. I think it is some kind of the same as here in Koh Yao Noi. But yeah, we'll see tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Catherine is really fucking me up right now. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.